Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting what matters now: hardware, model choice, and environment. Pick a device, Raspberry Pi 4 or a cheap mini PC, or reserve a cloud VM with 4+ cores. Once done, choose a model: lightweight local LLM for privacy or an API for ease. Make sure to install Ubuntu, Python 3, 10 Docker, and create a 16 GB partition. This avoids permission and storage issues later. Now set up SSH access so you can head into step 2 without friction. You now install and connect the stack. Create a Python virtual environment, pip install transformers, Torch or ONX runtime, and fast API. This gives you the runtime and web layer. Once done, containerize with Docker. Build an image, expose the API port, mount persistent model storage, and set restart policies so the assistant recovers after power loss. Next, integrate speech-to-text and text-to-speech modules, and wire an intent handler to translate queries into actions. This is how your assistant becomes interactive and reliable. You finish by deploying and polishing. Deploy the API behind a reverse proxy with HTTPS, add API keys, and restrict network access. Once live, test full voice and text flows, iterate prompts and configuration, and consider fine-tuning or adjusting temperature for better responses. Make sure to monitor logs and system metrics. If things go wrong, high latency, or crashes, check logs, lower batch sizes, enable model quantization, or fall back to a lighter model. That single troubleshooting step solves most performance failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.